Hi friends, today's lesson is Module 1, Lesson 30. You know that I absolutely love a number bond. Do you like number bonds too? I thought so. That's because number bonds help to keep our math so organized, and you know I love a good organized math problem. Now our number bond has those three important parts. It has the whole amount, and then the two pieces or the parts at the bottom. When you put the two parts together, it equals the whole amount. See how organized? Now today we're going to do something super duper fun and a little wild. Are you ready? All right, we're going to take our number bond today and we're going to change it up. Today we're going to be making a picture number bond. Ooh, doesn't that sound so exciting? It is exciting, friends. I knew you'd be happy about it. A picture number bond is exactly the same thing as a number bond, except for instead of numbers we use pictures. How adorable are those little turtles? Now let me show you. Our learning goal for today says, I can use picture number bonds to model parts of a whole amount. Remember, we've been working on ways to show our good thinking when we're doing our work. Our brains are busy working, but if we don't show all of that good thinking on the paper, it's hard for someone else to understand our process or how we got to the answer. So today, since all of our brains work differently, this is just another example of how you can show your good work. You could use a picture number bond. Let's try it out. Mary had 7 turtles. 4 of the turtles ate lunch, and the others swam. How many turtles went swimming? Now you know when we see a word problem, we draw what we read, right? Okay, so we're going to start drawing our picture number bond. Now you have a choice. I like to start with a big box already. I can't use the circle because I have lots to draw, so I like to draw a box just like this space. Some of my friends like to draw the picture and then put the box around the picture. You can do either one. Putting the box first helps to keep me organized. All right, so the first line says, Mary had 7 turtles. I'm going to go ahead and draw 7 turtles on the inside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Boom. I'm rocking it. All right, 4 of the turtles ate lunch. Well, I know if she had 7 turtles and a chunk of them ate lunch, that's a part. So I'm going to go ahead and put the 4 turtles in another part. I'm going to draw my line in my little box for my parts, just like I would a regular number bond. And I'm going to go ahead and draw those 4 turtles. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ah, perfecto. Now all I have to do is figure out the other part. Well, this is where my strategies come in. Man, oh man, I love to count on. So I'm just going to say 4, and then I'm going to draw the other part until I get to 7. Then I'll figure it out how many turtles went swimming. Here we go. So I'm going to say 4, 5, 6, 7. Stop. Friends, how many turtles went swimming? Yeah, 3. Aren't picture number bonds super duper fun? And I can clearly see all of my good thinking right inside those boxes. Now, after I've done that, I could just fill in a regular normal number bond. I could say 7's the whole amount and then look at my picture number bond to fill in the other parts. One part was 4 and the other part was 3. That was the missing piece. And obviously we're like super duper good at writing number sentences to match our number bond, so I could just go ahead and throw some number sentences up there. I could say when I add the parts together, it equals the whole amount. So I could say 4 plus 3 equals 7. We also know that I could switch those parts around. Ooh, what if I want to do subtraction? What could I do for that? Yeah, I could say 7 turtles minus the 4 that we're eating equals the 3 that swam. See, all of these parts together show exactly what thinking is going on in your brain. And that's so helpful to me as a teacher because, I mean, it'd be super fun to sit in your brain all day long, but I can't. So I definitely need you to be able to show your good thinking on the paper. Picture number bonds help to do that. Are you ready to try one? All right, good. Can you grab your dry erase board and a marker, press pause while you get all your materials, and then press play when you're ready to go? Okay, you ready, friends? Here we go. Andrew had 8 pieces of candy. He ate 3 of them, lucky duck, and saved the rest for tomorrow. How many candies does he have left? Okay, so we know that we draw what we read. So I would like you to go ahead. We're going to do this one all together. I want you to go ahead and draw a nice long box. Sorry, my little stick got stuck up there. All right. And Andrew's going to have 8 candies. It says Andrew had 8 candies. That's our whole amount. We're going to go ahead and draw that in our big long box. The thing is, I'm going to have cute little pieces of candy, but how do you draw a quick math drawing? Yeah, you do circles, of course. We don't want to waste our time with all of that beautiful artwork. That's for another day. All right, so we're going to say Andrew had 8 candies. Let's go ahead and draw them. I'm going to draw actual candies, but you draw circles. Okay, friend? Here we go. 1. Oops, sorry. Whoops, oh, just kidding. I forgot. On this one, I was going to show you how you can draw the whole empty frame with the whole amount in the parts. You could do that. I just want to show you that. Now I'm going to go ahead and fill it in. Sorry. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. When it's a large number like that, after I've drawn them, I like to get my finger and just tap on each of them to count, make sure I have exactly 8. I'm going to count mine, you count yours. Okay, go for it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Boom, I did it. How'd you do? Oh, good job. Perfecto. Okay, so we got that part done in our picture number bond. Now we keep reading and drawing what we read. He ate 3 of them. So we're going to go ahead and draw 3 as one of the parts. Because out of those 8 candies, he ate 3 of those. That's a part. So in our first box at the bottom, to show one of the parts, we're going to draw 3. Go for it, dude. 1, 2, 3. All right. How are we going to figure out what the other part is? What do you think we should do? Yeah, we could count on. We could think of what we could add to 3 to get to 8. You know I love counting on. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to say 3, because that was one of the parts. And I'm going to draw candies until I get to 8. Then I'll stop. You want to do that with me? Okay, here we go. If you don't, if you want to challenge yourself, press pause. You figure out how many candies and then press play to check yourself. All right, here we go. I'm going to count on 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Stop. Friends, how many pieces of candy does Andrew have to eat for tomorrow? Yeah, he has 5. Ooh, that was so smart of him to wait and save some for tomorrow. Okay, how'd you do? You got 5 as well? Oh, you rock star. Go ahead and say, I'm amazing. Yeah, you totally are amazing. All right, now let's go ahead and draw an empty number bond, just the regular kind. I want you to press pause. Can you fill in that empty number bond to match the picture number bond? I bet you can. Try it and then press play to check yourself. Okay, ready? Well, 8 was the whole amount. 3 was a part, and then we figured out that 5 was the other part. Perfecto. What kind of addition number sentence could I say, to show off my skills with those number bonds? Yeah, I could say 3 plus 5 equals 8, or I could say 5 plus 3 equals 8. What's a subtraction sentence I could say? Where I start with the whole amount of 8. Yeah, I could say 8 minus 3 equals 5, or I could even say 8 minus 5 equals 3, right? Friend, oh my goodness gracious, we are rocking and rolling. Go ahead and erase your dry erase board. You're doing so fabulous. Okay, you ready? For this one, I'm going to have you try to do a picture number bond all by yourself, and then you can press play to check yourself. I'm going to read the problem twice. Once, just all together, and then the second time I'll go a little bit slower, so you can draw what we read. All right, here we go. Kelly saw 7 zebras at the zoo. 5 were babies, oh my goodness, so cute, and the rest were adults. How many adult zebras did Kelly see? Okay, here we go. Are you ready? You're going to draw what we read. Kelly saw 7 zebras at the zoo. Go for it. Now, if I go too fast, you press pause, draw it, and then press play. 5 were babies. So 5 of those zebras are babies. So go ahead and draw that. All right. And then the rest were adults. So you're going to have to find that missing part. Now, don't race ahead. Do all that good work and then check yourself. Okay, here we go. Let's check our picture number bonds. So I said Kelly saw 7 zebras at the zoo. So I drew a frame. And then, of course, on the inside, I drew 7 circles. Is that what you did? Very well. Then it said 5 were babies. So I knew that was a part of the 7. And so I drew 5 as my other part. Is yours matching mine? We're so good. Now I need to figure out the rest were adults. Well, if there were 7 all together and there were 5 babies, I can just count on until I get to 7. 5, 6, 7. So friends, how many adult zebras were there? Yeah, there were 2. Good job. Okay, You know it. I love it. Fill in that number bond, will you please? But this time with numbers. Okay, ready? We should be old pros at this by now. All right, so 7 zebras altogether, 5 were babies, and 2 were adults. 7's the whole amount, 5 and 2 are the parts. See how our number bonds match each other? That's how you know you're doing a really good job and you understand what the pictures stand for. All right, I'm just going to show you some number sentences I wrote to go along with these because you know I love number sentences. I did 5 plus 2 equals 7, and then I did 7 minus 5 equals 2. All right, our learning goal for today says, I can use picture number bonds to model parts of a whole amount. And that's exactly what we did. Remember, we're practicing showing our good thinking on the paper so everyone can see our math process. It's your turn, friend. You're going to go ahead and seesaw this problem to your teacher. All you have to do for this is draw the picture number bond. You don't have to do a regular number bond or number sentences. You're just practicing that skill of making a picture number bond. I'm going to read the whole word problem one time, and then I'll read the different parts. All right, good luck, friends. Callie bought 9 balloons for the party. 4 were purple, and the rest were red. How many red balloons did she buy? All right, I'm going to read it again a little bit slower. Callie bought 9 balloons for the party. 4 were purple, and the rest were red. How many red balloons did she buy? Good luck, friends.